Everyone guys, and today we are having Artemis 2 approaching the closest approach to the moon, as the Artemis 2 mission is just have a flyby around the moon, first time ever in the history of mankind. Early in the morning today, Artemis 2 crew reaches moon's sphere of influence before closest approach, that is just hours away. Artemis 2 astronauts saw for the first time in history a side of the moon that had never been seen before with naked eyes by any human during the weekend. It comes as a teaser as Artemis 2 flyby will start by today, Monday afternoon. Artemis 2 has entered Moon's sphere of influence on Monday, April 6 at 12:37 am Eastern Daylight Time. That was 4:37 GMT. Entering Moon's sphere of influence simply means its gravity has a stronger pull on the spacecraft. Artemis 2 astronauts made the transition after spending 4 days, 6 hours and 2 minutes into the mission at a distance of about 39,000 miles from the moon and 232,000 miles away from the planet Earth. After achieving this milestone, now comes the big deal that humanity has been waiting for since its launch on April 1st, 2026. When Artemis 2 makes a flyby trip to the far side of the moon this Monday afternoon, it will reach further than any human has ever been. All about buzzing flyby today afternoon during the closest approach to the moon that will last about 6 hours. Artemis 2 crew members got the chance to observe the lunar surface with their naked eyes. They will capture epic snaps that people back home are anxiously waiting for. It's also important because the previous 24 Apollo astronauts were unable to view the far side of the moon because of its darkness or difficulty in spotting it. When Orion passes behind the moon, the Artemis 2 mission will lose their radio contact with Houston for about 40 minutes. This happens because the moon's surface cuts off the radio signals required for the deep space network to rely on to stay connected with the spacecraft. If everything goes well, Artemis 2 4 crew members on board the Orion spacecraft will make a flyby trip around the moon, setting a history by traveling farther from Earth than any human before. And just last week, NASA's Artemis 2 new Earth snaps sent internet into frenzy. When Artemis 2 on its 6th day of the flyby moon mission shares stunning new snaps. These epic snaps were taken from inside the Artemis 2 Orion spacecraft by Reid Wiseman. Orion spacecraft is carrying 4 astronauts including mission commander Reid Wiseman, Christiana Koch, Victor Glover and the Canadian Space Agency's Jeremy Hansen on a 10-day flyby moon mission to the moon. It's the first time in 5 decades that NASA astronauts will fly by the far side of the moon since Apollo 13 in 1972. Glover will become the first black man to orbit the moon, while Koch will be the first woman and Hansen the first Canadian to do so. The image features the planet wrapped in thick cloud cover as if rising beyond the spacecraft as the crew continues its voyage. The second snap features all of Earth in spectacular blues and browns as a green aura even lights up the atmosphere. NASA captioned the post. The latest images were shared by NASA after the release of the first snap on day 2 of Artemis 2. This image highlighted the end of Orion's service module where its main engine and auxiliary thrusters help propel and maneuver the capsule. The Orion spacecraft was set on its course after the crew fired the capsule's main engine on Thursday night, April 2nd. How to track Artemis 2 mission? If you are still wondering how to track Artemis 2 mission, don't worry, we have got you covered. To track the live updates of NASA's Artemis 2 moon mission, it has developed a special portal called the Artemis Real-Time Orbit website, ARROW. The mission is now on its 6th day of a planned 10-day flight. The 6th day is critical. Guys, now the 6th day is very critical to the Artemis 2 moon mission as the crew will fly by the moon that day. As the crew will fly by the moon today when the Orion spacecraft reaches its closest approach, roughly 4,000 to 6,000 miles above the lunar surface. It will mark a historic day as another giant leap for mankind. The astronauts will travel around the far side of the moon, the first humans to do so in deep space in over 5 decades. After orbiting the moon, Orion capsule will use its gravity to head back to Earth with splashdown expected in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of San Diego on April 11, 2026. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.